everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 lines essay on International Yoga Day. So let's get started with today's video. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated throughout the world annually on 21st June. The first Yoga Day was observed on 21st June 2015. The main objective of the day is to bring awareness about the benefits of practicing yoga. Physical, mental, and spiritual benefits can be derived by practicing yoga. The idea of an International Day of Yoga was first proposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. During his speech at the United Nations General Assembly on 27 September 2014, he stated that June 21st should be celebrated as the Yoga Day. The day 21st June is selected as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit and meaning is to join or to unite. This year the theme of yoga is Be with Yoga, Be at Home. Yoga plays a significant role during the COVID-19 crisis because yoga helps in boosting our immunity level. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell so you would not miss the updates of any of my upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.